Unlocking the meaning of Die a Hero's Death. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings behind popular phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as dramatic as it is intriguing: Die a Hero's Death. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Whether you're a language learner or just someone fascinated by English expressions, this video is for you. At its core, Die a Hero's Death refers to the act of dying in a manner that is noble, courageous, or self-sacrificing. This phrase is often used to describe someone who meets their end while performing an act of bravery, heroism, or in service to a greater cause. The key elements here are nobility and sacrifice. It's not just about dying, but dying in a way that embodies the highest ideals of courage and selflessness. The concept of dying a hero's death is not new and can be traced back through centuries of literature, history, and mythology. From ancient Greek heroes who fell in battle to protect their city-states, to soldiers in modern wars who sacrificed themselves for their comrades or country, the idea of a heroic death has always been celebrated. It speaks to a universal admiration for those who put others before themselves, even at the cost of their own lives. In today's context, Die a Hero's Death can be used in various scenarios, not just in literal battlefields. It might describe firefighters who lose their lives saving others from a blaze, activists who are killed while fighting for justice, or even individuals who stand up against oppression and pay the ultimate price. The phrase elevates their sacrifice, acknowledging that their actions were in pursuit of something greater than personal survival. When using Die a Hero's Death, it's important to do so with respect and sensitivity, considering the gravity of what it represents. It's a powerful expression for acknowledging sacrifice and bravery, suitable for solemn or reflective contexts. For example, in writing, she knew the risks involved in exposing the truth, ready to die a hero's death for the cause she believed in. In speech, they did not seek glory, but they certainly died a hero's death, and we will remember them for it. Understanding the phrase, Die a Hero's Death, gives us insight into values that transcend cultures and eras: bravery, sacrifice, and the pursuit of a cause greater than oneself. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to reflect on the heroic acts that continue to shape our world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.